Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to chemistry class. So, in the previous online classes, we will started with the chapter 3rd, atoms and molecules. Now, today we will be discuss with your new article in this chapter. The name of article is your molecular mass and mole concept. So, firstly we discuss here molecular mass. So, what's the molecular mass? In we have discussed the concept of atomic mass in the section of your article, that is 3.2.2. Atomic mass have already discussed in your previous classes. So next, this concept can be extended to calculate the molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. So student, this is the statement about molecular mass. The molecular, underline this statement, the molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atom in a molecule of a substance that we called as molecular mass. It is therefore the relative mass of molecule expressed in atomic mass unit, and that is the symbol is your U. Okay, so here example, calculates the relative molecular mass of water, calculates the molecular mass of nitric acid, that is HNO3. So atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 U, that is atomic mass, and here mass is represent symbol with U. Oxygen is 16 because here 1 is your oxygen, that is a 16 U. So the molecular mass of water, which contain 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So 2 into 1, 2 means 2 atoms of hydrogen is present in this molecule, multiply with its atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into 16, 1 oxygen present in these molecules and atomic mass is your 16. So after calculation, here the atomic mass of water molecule is 18 U. Okay students, next is your the molecular mass of HNO3, that is your nitric acid. The atomic mass of hydrogen plus atomic mass of nitrogen plus 3 into atomic mass of oxygen, because here 3 atoms of oxygen present. So you will calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid, 1 plus 14. 14 is the atomic mass of nitrogen and 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. So 16 is multiplied by 3, that is equal to 48, and overall the atomic mass of nitric acid is your 63 U. Okay. Similarly, next is your formula unit mass. So the formula unit mass of a substance is the sum of atomic masses of all atoms in formula unit of a compound. Formula unit mass is calculated in the same manner so as we calculated the molecular mass. That means कि formula unit mass is the same method, same step followed when we to calculate the molecular mass. जो हमने molecular mass में steps follows किए हैं, same as is follow in the formula unit mass, but little bit difference is that they use the word formula unit for those substances whose constituent particles are ions. Okay, so remember that formula unit mass, the word formula is used those substance whose constituent particles are ion. That means कि हम उन formulas का unit mass calculate करेंगे जो हमारे पास कैसे present होंगे, ions. मीन्स कि हमारे पास कैटाइंस और एनाइंस की मिक्सचर से जो कंपाउंड्स मिलेगा, दैट इज योर आइंस. उसका हम कैलकुलेट्स क्या करेंगे, फॉर्मूला यूनिट मास. सो हियर वन एग्जांपल, सोडियम क्लोराइड एज द डिस्कस, बिकॉज हियर Na पॉजिटिव Cl नेगेटिव. So its formula unit mass 1 plus 23 plus 1 into 35.5 is equal to 58.5 U. this is chlorine mass, and this is your sodium. Same as pattern to calculate the formula unit mass of calcium chloride. So here calcium is your positive and chloride is your negative. So that's why here we use of formula unit mass. So atomic mass of calcium plus 2 into atomic mass of chlorine. So you on that the molecule atomic mass of calcium is 40 because its atomic number is 20 plus 2 into atomic mass of chlorine. Chlorine is the mass 35.5 and atomic number is your 17. So 40 plus 71 is equal to 111 atomic mass, sorry, 111 formula unit mass of calcium chloride. So this is the step to calculation of formula unit mass. So difference is between these two, formula unit mass and molecular mass. That is, formula unit mass is used for the particles of ions, that is constant particles are ions, and molecular mass is used for all without any consider of ions. Okay students, so you will try these questions ki how to calculate the molecular and formula unit mass. So thank you and have a nice day students. So I hope you all understand ki how to calculate the molecular mass and formula unit mass. In case of anyone students face problem related to this article, so you can be send me your problems. I can resolve in your personally as well as your in the online classes. Okay students, so thank you and have a nice day.